In this video, we will see events in probability, part 1, which are needed to understand before solving probability questions. Suppose we toss a coin, we get two outcomes, head and tail. Therefore, total number of outcomes are 2 and probability of getting head is 1 by 2 and probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2. Moving towards the next event, you have to understand tossing one coin twice or two coins simultaneously is one and the same. If I toss two coins together, we get four outcomes as shown in the table. Note that head tail and tail head are two different outcomes. So the probability of getting head head is 1 by 4. Probability of getting head tail is 1 by 4. Probability of getting tail tail is 1 by 4 and getting tail head is also 1 by 4. For 3 coins, if we toss one coin thrice or 3 coins simultaneously is one and the same. Here we toss 3 coins together. We get 8 outcomes. Observe the pattern of writing the outcomes. If you write in this pattern, you will not do the mistake in the exam. See the probability of getting 3 heads, which is equal to 1 by 8. Probability of getting exactly 1 tail is 3 by 8. And probability of getting exactly 2 heads is 3 by 8. Let us understand two more concepts, at least and at most. At least means minimum, but more than that is possible. At most means maximum, but less than that is possible. Therefore, probability of getting at least one head means the outcomes with minimum one head and more heads will be counted, and it comes as 7 by 8. Probability of getting at most one head means the outcomes with maximum one head and no head will be counted, and it comes as 4 by 8. See the other one. Probability of getting at most two tails means the outcomes with maximum two tails, one tail and no tail will be counted, and it comes as 7 by 8. See the last one. Probability of getting at least 3 tails means the outcomes with minimum 3 tails. More tails we don't have. So the probability comes as 1 by 8. Remember, coins should be unbiased. Now take a die and throw it. We get 6 outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Probability of getting an even number is 3 by 6. Probability of getting an odd number is 3 by 6. And probability of getting a prime number is also 3 by 6. If we throw 2 dice simultaneously, we get 36 outcomes. So probability of getting a doublet means on both the dice we have same number is 6 by 36. Probability of getting an even number on both the dice is 9 by 36. And probability of getting sum more than 11 is 1 by 36. Sometimes questions will be asked on playing cards. We will call it as deck of cards. We have 13 cards of spade from 1 to 10 and jack, queen and king. Similarly, 13 cards of diamond, 13 cards of club and 13 cards of hearts. In this way, total number of cards are 52. Here we have 26 red cards, 26 black cards and 12 face cards. Let us see the probability of getting a red card, which is equal to 26 by 52. Probability of getting an S, which is equal to 4 by 52. Next, probability of getting a face card, which is equal to 12 by 52. Probability of getting a red queen, which is equal to 2 by 52. I hope you understood these events. Now try this. Thank you and be happy.